Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Islamabad, and today I am sharing movie and my movie review topic is Tare Zameen Par by. Tare Zameen Par tells the story of Ishan Awasthi, a young boy who struggles in school because of dyslexia, a learning difference that affect reading and writing. Many people around him misunderstanding his challenges and think he's crazy or lazy or careless. However, everything begins to change when his art teacher Ram Shankar Nikomb recognized his unique talent and help him believe in himself. The first and most important lesson I learned from this movie is that every child is unique. Not every student learns in the same way, and success cannot be measured only by exam scores. Another powerful lesson is the importance of understanding before judging. Ish- Ishan was often punished because people did not understand why he struggled in reading and writing. Later, we learned that he was not unwilling to learn. He simply learned differently. The movie also teaches us about the life changing role of a great teacher, Mr. Nikumba. Did not just teach lesson from a textbook, he listened to Ishan and understand his difficulties and helped him discover his confidence. Another lesson I learned is the importance of encouragement and emotional support. A few words of encouragement can completely change someone's life. Once Ishan started receiving support instead of criticism, he became more confident, happier, and more willing to learn. This teaches us that positive motivation often works better than consistent pressure. One of the most touching lessons is the importance of family love and understanding. Ishan's parents wanted to be to the best for him, but they did not fully understand his learning challenges at first. So, as the story progresses, they begin to realize that children need patience, acceptance, and emotional support as much as discipline. This message is valuable for every family. Overall, I found Tare Zameen Par to be one of the most inspiring and educational film I have ever watched. It teaches us that every child has hidden potential. Kindness kindness is essential. Great teachers changes lives, and understanding is more powerful than judgment. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found these meaningful lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational movie reviews and motivational content. See you in the next video. So, this is my movie review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.